Smashing out some duct. Oh no, that's stupid.
Just give me a minute.
No, let me start again.
I've been growing my beard for about a year now. Curious to see how long it gets.
James is nice and loud. He likes telling everyone what to do.
Well, he likes to think he owns Leading Energy, but actually I own Leading Energy.
After a 3-year break, I'm back. Oh fuck, that sucks.
Can I say I'm the best apprentice? I'm the best apprentice out of us.
I actually don't know what to say.
Yeah, I know.
It's alright. You're out of sight.